Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the values of trees. Number 1. Trees give us air to breathe. Number 2. They make cool shade on sunny days. Number 3. Yummy fruits grows on trees. Number 4. Animals live in tree homes. Number 5. Trees help stop big floods. Number 6. They make our world look pretty. Number 7. Trees help us stay healthy and happy. Number 8. They drink up dirty air. Number 9. Trees bring rain to the land. Number 10. Trees are our tall, green friends. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.